Hey folks, Joey Image here, your Italian hero, here with another, my annual iPhone unboxing. Today we've got the iPhone 14 Pro in dark purple or black purple, whatever the hell they called it. I forget what the hell they named the color. I was really hoping for blue again, which I got last year when I got my 13 Pro, but unfortunately, no blue. But here we go. There is the box. This is the same video as last year, just a different phone. Same as the year before that, just a different phone. And coincidentally, same as the year before that also, but again, just a different phone. So, let me take the tabs off here so I can open this bad boy up. And here we go. Oh, I like the purple. I like the purple. I don't know if it shows up very well on camera. I mean, it should. We're in 4K, but who knows? Maybe not. Let me use my current phone and maybe throw some light on this. Might be a little more easy to see. I still can't really see it that well. You get the idea. It's purple. Okay, we know what purple looks like, right? So here we go. A little bit heavy. Still the screen protection sticker deal on it. Here's the most satisfying part. Even though it's not plastic, it's paper, but it's okay. Alright. Looks like my current phone, which is the lenses, the camera lenses protrude. I'm gonna try to flatten that so you can see it. The camera lenses protrude a lot more than on my 13 Pro here. But I do like it. Similar, I mean, same size. And I don't know. What else do you want to know? That's all we really get is the phone and the cable and the little sticker thing. Yeah, no headphones anymore. No power brick. It's okay. It's okay. So, just to give you the quick stats on what I got here. iPhone 14 Pro, USB-C lightning cable, blah, 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 blah. Sorry. iPhone 14 Pro, 512 gigs, which it doesn't, here we go. iPhone 14 Pro, deep purple, that's what it was, deep purple. 512 gigabytes. Alright, so I just opened a phone, or I opened a box with a phone in it. Isn't it wonderful? Here's my reflection. Look, see? Where is it? There's my reflection. Hi! Oh, if you do it this way, you can see more. Hello, I'm waving to my reflection. You can see it like in indecision or incision, what the hell that word was. What was that movie? Inception. Yeah, there you go. Anyway, it's a phone. We know what phones look like. Again, same video as last year, just about. Bye.